Hello guys, welcome back to my guys channel. Today is an interesting product in our channel. It's a neckband of a company of you and I. It is the Lollipop series. I like it. When I bought the OnePlus Nord 2T phone, they give for free because I'm unboxing today. So let's check it out. This is the product. You can see the you and I, the logo, and the Lollipop series. So let's open it. 16 hours backup wireless neckband, and you see Bluetooth version 5.0. Talking time 6 hours, music time 16 hours. Oh, sorry, here also 16 hours. Standby time 300 hours. Charging time 2 hours. Charging type C. Battery capacity 130 mAh and transmission distance 10 meters. So you can see the product is it's a blue color. Let's see, check out how it is. So inside of it is had bag. Its quality was very good. You can see you and I born to win. So the bag also very quality is there, but it's we can carry on anywhere like simple way. So the here also not a zip type, it is a sliding type. It is also best. I like this. It is an easy way, so like sliding. So inside of the bag, what is done we can check. So inside of bag, it's the quality also very good. I like this quality, and it will be extend, it will be extend, and the easy way is the one basic type is there. I will show it. I removed the wire, and you can see here's the slider. I will focus here now. So it is slider. We can easily keep an inside the wire, and here also you can see easily we can slide like that. And also you can see it is the magnetic type, So backside is plastic, but I like this. The rubber also very okay. The rubber also very quality. I like this product. I will say it purchase. You can see in the Amazon it is 600 below. The price is 600 below. You can see here a logo also is there. You and I. Okay, I'll show. You can see you and I logo, and here you see the controls is there. We can press it of 3 seconds. It will be on. You can see here is the controls, and we'll press it for 3 seconds. So here see red and blue light is blinking, and something came the voice in the here. It's not connected to any phone. Here's the controls, back, front. Oh, here nothing is there. So the quality also very I will say the purchase. Okay, I will connect with the phone. Take one phone and turn on Bluetooth. And you can see UINB neckband 6930. Click there. It's connecting. It's connected. The charging is 50%. Play the song. The songs are there. Sorry. sounds bass. I'll play on this one. The bass was very good. I like this bass. So this is okay, I listen the bass and the bass lovers were very interesting to purchase these. So friends, it is an best experience. It's a bass. Who is the bass lovers? It's the best I will say to purchase. Who is the bass lovers, and the volume also high tech is there. I can't say in my words also. Maybe it's. Like a wonder. I feel like a wonder. The bass and the music was very clarity. You can see this like type is there, friends. Just like it will be not have 3,000 4,000 neck bands also. It is the best. I will say to purchase this neck band. So do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell option and click the all option. So you want more interesting videos, tell me in the comment section. So, and one more important point is I'm starting new channel in another phone, in one place, not today. I will start new channel in my phone. It's coming, so I will review on this channel. Okay, see you, bye.